How to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending code. So if you want to fix your Roblox two-step verification is not sending code, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, if you have any VPN on your device, VPN applications, then you just need to simply search for the VPN and turn on your VPN. After turning on your VPN, you can try again with the two-step verification and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. After opening, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Roblox and you need to make sure that you have updated the application. So if you have any updates, you need to just go with update and update your application. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your browser. From your browser, you need to go with Roblox support. Under your Roblox support, you just need to simply tap on www.robloxsupport.com, which will take you to this contact us section. So here you need to enter the username and your first name, your email address. Again, confirm your email address and enter your details. And after entering your details and your description, you can go with submit or continue. And after sending this report to Roblox, it will fix your issue. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.